warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Octaviani Nurrahma from class 3 TBIB. First of all, let's give thanks for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for always giving us blessings. Second, I would like to thank the teacher for the knowledge that has been given by the lecturer regarding this learning. Here, I will talk about how to improve student achievement, including at school. As we know, school is a development medium that is very influential in our future lives, starting from learning to speak, write, and so on. The difficulty of improving achievement during the schooling years, namely during the school period, has become a problem for many people. Achievement in school guarantees that we can be accepted by many groups of society. How to improve achievement in school? I will give 9 tips for that. Here are the tips. First, be a leader. Exercise your sense of responsibility. When your teacher tells you to clean the classroom, why not? Just accept it. Anyway, it is good for our environment. Do not hesitate to accept it. Moreover, it will be fruitful for yourself. Invite some of your classmates to clean the classroom, then lead them. Second, listening to the teacher's explanation well. Answer every question asked by your teacher or lecturer, as long as you can answer them properly and correctly. But even if you can't, that doesn't mean you failed. It means you are told to study harder. Don't wait for the teacher to call you to answer. Third, don't be shy about asking questions. Shame to ask critically on the street. That proverb seems sufficient to explain this point. Always ask questions that you are unable to answer. 4. Always do your homework. Don't wait for an excuse not to do it. Always try to do it by yourself, even though it is actually better to work in groups. 5. Every time you come home from school, always repeat the lesson that was taught. At least a lesson or two. Indeed, every time we come home from school, we are usually lazy to do this point. Sometimes we get tired when we get home from school and then immediately fall on a soft, delicious mattress. But try to repeat the lessons that was taught by your teacher. At least this is useful at the time of the test later. The lesson that will be taught later may appear at the time of the test. 6. Get enough rest. Everything is done in a balanced manner. After school, we often want to hurry and forget about all the other important things. For example, eating and resting. Even though after a day at school, we don't feel like our bodies need additional energy input that can be obtained from rest and the food we eat. Therefore, we must be able to divide our time to eat, rest, and play. If everything is done well, the body will be refreshed every day. So, don't often get sleepy in the class. 7. Practicing lots of lessons that you don't like. Indeed, we often complain about this. If you don't like a lesson, for example mathematics, then do lots of practice. Take classes or study in groups with friends. After studying, you can play and make new friends at the course. Besides that, who knows, if you don't like mathematics, so you will even like it. 8. Follow the extracurricular activities that you like. Find out what you like and what you are suitable for you to pursue. For example, such as Baxter can also try to take courses from these activities so that in addition to learning the lesson taught at school, you can also get additional lessons outside of school. And last is find a mentor who is good, fun, and motivating. Parents are good supervisors besides teacher. If you don't understand the lesson your teacher is teaching at school, you can ask your parents for directions. Besides that, you can also learn from friends who excel. Find good friends, not hypocrites. So that 9 ways to encourage achievement in school. Hopefully, these tips are useful and you can also apply the points above in your daily life in order to become the golden man who continues the nation and state. Thank you. I'm sorry if there are mistakes because humans are in the wrong place and perfection belongs only to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.